From rookie rider, dito naman tayo sa young professional riders na hindi papahuli sa Manibela Challenge. Ang magpinsan na second generation motocross champions na sina Shana Tamayo at si Josh Tamayo. Sila lang naman ang mga reigning champion sa Philippine National Motocross. Bata pa lang si Shana ay playground na niya ang off-road trails at naging champion na siya sa maraming motocross competitions. Gaya ng 2024 na Orca Philippine Motocross Series at 2023 Tevez Cup Ladies Class National Competition. Naging 2024 Lady Rider of the Year pa. She also the reigning Philippine National Motocross Champion in the ladies class. And back-to-back second place finish in Manibela Challenge Season 1 and Season 2, female category.
Comparing to international races, Manibela Challenge is really fun and exciting, and yeah, it's almost there. And marami akong natutunan. It's a world-class experience.
Despite being champion of so many competition already, Shana always see to it na laging may matututunan siyang bago sa mga sinalihan niya. Gaya sa Manibela Challenge Season 2.
Yung nadagdagan sa akin was like yung loading. Natuto po ako paano mag-load ng sarili kong motor. Hindi ko na po kailangang antayin si daddy or si mommy. Yeah, mas marami pang experiences ang natutunan ko from Season 2.
Kinabahan ako dun sa loading. I know how hard will be kasi mabigat yung motor niya. 85 rider lang kasi siya, up to 250. Pero ito, alam mo yung doble, tripling bigat. And ayun, tapos ang payat-payat niya. Sabi ko, oh my goodness, I keep on praying and shouting, di lang halata. Pero I thank the Lord. Thank you for the strength. Thank you for the strength.
Masasabi ko lang, this is a good stage ng career niya na may experience tong Manibela Challenge kasi maraming technique at insights talaga na natutunan niya na magagamit pa niya for continuous learning.
Malayo na nga ang narating ni Shana sa karera ng motorcycle competitions. And for her, it's all traced back to the love and support of her parents.
It's really important to have yung support ng mga magulang because like a kid like me na 15 years old lang na babae pa, support coming from my mom and dad is really important, you know, most especially my mother who always encourages me to do my best even as a girl na kaya kong gawin yung mga ginagawa din ng mga lalaki. And my dad, he taught me how to be really tough and positive in all actions and things. Masasabi ko lang sa mga magulang ko is thank you very much. You know, no words or action can give back the things they did for me. And I really love my parents, and I'm really glad to have supportive parents like them. And yeah.
And last but not the least, the youngest Manibela Challenge finisher this season. Another second-generation champion. Another Tamayo. The 13-year-old Josh Tamayo. Josh is the son of a veteran's motocross champion, the one and only Sam Tamayo.
You know, I really got inspired from my dad for, after doing some freestyle. And, I look up to him till now, and he's my idol. So, yeah, he's my inspiration. So, that's really how I got into here. So, yeah.
At the age of 6, nagsimula na sa karera si Josh sa pagmumotor. Gaya ng kanyang pinsan na si Shana at ang kanyang tatay na si Sam, gumawa rin ng pangalan si Josh sa motocross competition. Siya lang naman ngayon ang reigning Philippine National Motocross Champion, MX85 class. Sumabak na rin si Josh sa international motocross scenes. Pero kwento ng kanyang tatay, isang hindi inaasahang pangyayari ang naranasan ni Josh that made them think twice kung ipagpapatuloy pa ba nila ang ganitong competition.
2 years ago, I thought we almost lost him kasi in the States, one of his races, before the regional in the infamous Loretta Lynn, he had a very, very hard crash na wasak yung helmet. And he was knocked out, and then there's pain in the head. So, kailangan ng helicopter. Ang hina-helicopter lang sa US at hindi ambulance, yung life and death. I prayed then. Sabi ko, Lord, I'd do anything. I would do anything if you will spare my son's life. Hirap pala yun, yung ganung feeling. And since then, he still wants to do it. Silang dalawa yung nag-usap. Sabi ko, done. No more, no more. Kasi traumatic eh.
You know, all the obstacles are very fun, but depends on what your technique. It's really hard also, so you really need to learn and get prepared for these type of conditions.
And all that grit paid off. He's now been recognized as the emerging rider of this season in Manibela Challenge Season 2. Hindi lang yan. This 13-year-old is also world champion.
April 19, he won. I was like, 2 days ako hindi natulog. Kasi yung adrenaline in the two-stroke world championship in the 85cc B class sa US. And I was like, paharap ko yun eh. Nangyari sa kanya, buti hindi kami huminto. Imagine if we stopped 2 years ago.
Come here, Jedi.
Ano pala, bibigyan pala ng Lord ng talent, eh magiging, you know, two-stroke world motocross champion. So yun ang encouragement namin, never stop. If you're gonna go sa crossroads ng buhay, still believe in the Lord and seek the Lord, His guidance. And hindi natin alam yung future, alam niya eh. So let's just press on. So we're here as a family, Team MX Masaya. To God be the glory.